In this video, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Corolla key fob to change the internal battery at home. This is a very easy process. All you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2032 batteries. Now, if you don't know where to get one of these batteries or you'd just like to pick one up online, I will leave a link down in the description to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And again, that link will be the exact battery that you need for this particular device. So let's get started by looking at the bottom of the device. And on the side, this is where there is a little button that says push. You're gonna hold that down and pull out the internal key. Now this vertical hole here is the keyhole. And right next to that, you can see there's this little slot in the plastic perpendicular to that keyhole. Just insert the flathead screwdriver into that area. Hold the device loosely and twist the screwdriver, and it will very easily crack open the device, and you can just pull it apart with your fingers. And from here, we are just going to dump out that little circuit board that also houses the battery. You can just set these two pieces of plastic to the side. And from here, I'm just going to use the same tool, flathead screwdriver, and looking up at the top, you can see the battery and the plastic behind it. I'm going to insert my flathead screwdriver right in between those two. Okay, and just applying a bit of constant pressure. Don't shove it in there, just push and wiggle a little bit, and you will get this battery out quite easily. I will show you that again. In that little space, just pushing and wiggling, and it pops right out. So again, this is a CR2032 battery, and there will be a link in the description if you would like to pick one of those up. And when you're putting your new battery into place, make sure this positive side, the one with the plus and the text on it, is going face up. And what we will do is just push it behind these two little pieces of plastic first. So you're pushing it down and then clicking in the top. If you're looking at this back piece of plastic, you can see there is a little circle there. That's where our battery goes. You put the battery face down on top of that circle, and it fits nicely into place. And now we can just take the other side, set it on top, and click it all together. Go ahead, put your key back in, and you are good to go. If that video helped you out, feel free to let me know down in the comments, or just give this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs, check out the rest of our tutorials here on YouTube, or visit us at fobbattery.com.